So how can you put a photo in the iPhone widget? Well, let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So if you have the photo widget on the home screen like this, what you can try is hold it down on it like this and click on edit widget. And then now for me, it tells me that I can select the album from which the photos are going to be displayed on the widget. So if I click on the albums, currently it is set to favorites, but I can choose it to be something else, right? I have plenty of different albums, right? I can choose a different one, and then now the images from that album are going to be shown to me. However, you might see an image like this when you hold it down on your widget. It's possible that you're going to see the edit option, but it's not going to let you select the album. And that is simply because those are two different types of widgets. Whenever you're adding a new one like this, you can go to the edit mode on the home screen. And when you click on the photos from this selection, you're going to find out that there are the first three options say featured, right? So you have three sizes of photo widgets, but all say featured, which means that you don't really have control over which photos show up in here. Only some random images from your gallery, which the phone thinks you might like. But when you choose the second three options, or any of them which says album, then you have the control over selecting which album is supposed to be shown on the home screen in other widgets, so it's actually making it much more useful. So just make sure you re-add the widget like this and choose the album one, and now you'll be able to just tap on it and choose a different album from your photos and choose and select exactly that image which you want there to be. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.